Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best dual-wall heat shrink tubing is probably one of the most versatile and essential components for any DIY enthusiast, electrical professional, or anyone looking to secure and protect wire connections with a durable, waterproof seal. This isn't just any heat shrink, it's engineered with a dual-layer design, featuring an outer polyolefin layer for robust insulation and an inner adhesive lining that melts and flows to create a watertight barrier, ensuring your projects stand the test of time and the elements. Whether you're working on automotive wiring, marine applications, or intricate electronic assemblies, understanding the nuances of this product can significantly elevate the reliability and longevity of your work, making it a critical tool in your arsenal for achieving professional-grade results with ease and confidence. Number 5. Wirefy 180 PCS Heat Shrink Tubing Kit. Introducing the Wirefy Heat Shrink Tubing Kit, featuring a 3:1 shrink ratio. This allows it to recover to 1/3 of its original diameter, ensuring a tight and secure seal for your connections. Each piece is lined with adhesive, which flows when heated to create a resistant and long-lasting insulated connection. Say goodbye to unreliable insulation. This kit includes 7 of the most commonly used diameters, ranging from 3/32 to 3/4 inches. All tubing is pre-cut to 3.5 inches for your convenience. Using our tubing is incredibly simple. Just slide it over your connection point and apply heat for professional-grade results in seconds. The dual-wall construction offers excellent abrasion resistance and strain relief. Plus, it's independently verified by UL for quality and safety, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This option offers a robust 3:1 shrink ratio with adhesive lining for a superior seal. It's also UL certified for safety and quality assurance. If you need reliable and safe connections, especially in demanding applications, this is a great choice. What people say. The tubing is easy to use and provides a good seal. It shrinks quickly and evenly when heat is applied. The adhesive lining inside helps create a waterproof connection. Number 4. Wirefy 275 Pieces Waterproof Heat Shrink Tubing Kit. Introducing the Wirefy 275-piece Waterproof Heat Shrink Tubing Kit. This kit offers a 3:1 shrink ratio for a superior seal, ensuring your connections are protected. Unlike standard 2:1 tubes, our 3:1 ratio ensures a perfect fit and complete sealing every time. It recovers to 1/3 of its original diameter for optimal protection. Featuring an adhesive lining, these tubes create a waterproof and durable insulation. When heated, the inner glue melts to seal the connection, preventing moisture ingress. This kit includes 7 of the most commonly used diameters, ranging from 2.3 mm to 19 mm. Each piece is pre-cut to 44.5 mm for your convenience. Using them is incredibly easy. Just slide a tube over your connection, apply heat, and achieve professional-grade, insulated connections in seconds. The double-wall construction provides excellent protection. The outer layer offers abrasion resistance, while the inner layer ensures a tight seal and strain relief. What we like. This kit boasts a 3:1 shrink ratio and an adhesive lining that creates a waterproof seal. It also comes in multiple colors for easy wire identification. If you're working on projects where moisture is a concern or need to color code your wires, this is the one to get. What people say. The tubing is easy to use and provides a good seal. It shrinks evenly and adheres well to the wires. The adhesive lining inside the tubing creates a waterproof connection. Number 3. Wirefy Heat Shrink Tubing Kit 275 PCS. Introducing the Wirefy Heat Shrink Tubing Kit, your solution for secure wire connections. This kit offers a reliable and professional way to insulate and protect your electrical work. Experience a superior 3:1 shrink ratio that ensures a tight, robust seal every time. Unlike standard 2:1 tubing, this provides a much more secure fit, eliminating gaps and ensuring lasting connections. Featuring an inner adhesive layer, this tubing creates a waterproof seal when heated. This provides long-lasting insulation and protects your connections from moisture and environmental damage. This kit includes 7 of the most commonly used diameters, ranging from 3/32 to 3/4 inches. Each piece is pre-cut to 1.75 inches for your convenience, ensuring you have the right size for any job. Using our tubing is incredibly simple. Just slide it over the connection and apply heat for professional grade results in seconds. Achieve secure and insulated connections with ease. The dual wall design offers excellent protection. An outer wall provides abrasion resistance, while the inner wall ensures a waterproof seal and effective strain relief for your wiring. What we like. Featuring a 3:1 shrink ratio and adhesive lining, this tubing provides a strong, waterproof seal. It comes in pre-cut lengths for quick and easy application. If you value convenience and speed in your wiring tasks, this pre-cut kit will save you time and effort. What people say. The tubing is easy to use and provides a good seal. It shrinks down nicely and covers wires effectively. The adhesive lining inside helps create a waterproof connection. Number 2. Wirefy 183:1 Heat Shrink Tubing. Experience a tight, secure fit with our 3:1 shrink ratio tubing. It shrinks down to 1/3 of its original size, offering a superior seal compared to standard 2:1 options. It's perfect for all your electrical and automotive wire needs. Our adhesive line tubing creates a waterproof and oil-proof bond when heated. This ensures a reliable seal for your wires, making it ideal for marine, automotive, or any outdoor applications where protection is key. Get exactly what you need with this 50-foot flexible roll. You can cut it to any size required, offering more versatility than pre-cut kits. It's the perfect solution for custom cable runs and electrical projects. This tubing provides durable insulation that resists abrasion, oil, and heat. It's designed to withstand harsh environments, offering strong, flexible, and long-lasting protection for your wires. Rest assured with our UL-listed heat shrink tubing. It meets strict safety and performance standards, guaranteeing reliable insulation and flame resistance for critical automotive and electrical applications. What we like. This product offers a massive 50-foot roll, allowing you to cut custom lengths for any job. It's waterproof, oil-proof, and UL listed for maximum reliability. If you have ongoing projects or need to make many custom length connections, this continuous roll is more economical and versatile. What people say. The tubing is easy to use and provides a good seal. It shrinks down nicely and holds wires securely. The adhesive lining inside helps create a waterproof connection. Number 1. Wirefy 383:1 Heat Shrink Tubing. Introducing Wirefy's premium heat shrink tubing. Its 3:1 shrink ratio ensures a snug fit, providing superior protection compared to standard 2:1 options. Perfect for all your electrical and automotive needs. Don't let moisture or oil compromise your connections. This tubing features an adhesive lining that melts to create a waterproof and oil-proof seal. It's the reliable choice for marine, auto, and outdoor applications. Get exactly what you need with this 50-foot roll of flexible tubing. Cut it to any size required, offering more convenience than pre-cut kits. It's ideal for creating custom cable runs. Designed to withstand tough conditions, this tubing offers excellent resistance to abrasion, oil, and heat. It provides strong, flexible, and durable insulation, even in harsh environments. Rest assured with UL-listed safety. This tubing meets stringent standards for reliable insulation and flame resistance. It's a trusted choice for critical automotive and electrical applications. What we like. Get a 50-foot roll of 3:1 ratio tubing that's both water and oil-proof, offering excellent durability. This allows for custom lengths and robust protection. If you're tackling projects in harsh environments or need a flexible supply of high-quality tubing, this roll is an excellent investment. What people say. The tubing is easy to use and provides a good seal. It shrinks down nicely and adheres well to the wires. The variety of sizes included in the pack is very convenient for different applications. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.